Sonny packed his backpack for school, but instead of books, he packed toys. All the toys. Action figures, rubber chicken, a squeaky donut. Everything. At school, squeak. The backpack burst open, toys everywhere. The whole class froze. Teacher Cat squinted. Sonny, where are your homework pages? Sonny gulped. Buried under squeaky donut? Narrator break. Kids, if Sonny should clean up fast, hit like and subscribe. Spot helped Sonny collect the toys. Next time, homework first, toys later, Spot said. Sonny smiled. Deal, narrator. And from that day, Sonny packed his brain before packing toys.